This video is going to be about the cQ-LWPI, and this is the indicator down here. This is the no parameters version. I've added a few things. It's basically the same indicator, but I've just added a couple things here. The first, you have this input type. You can have the high minus the low, the open minus the close, or the applied price, the current minus the previous. And the applied price is this right here. Right now this applied price is not being used. It's using the high minus the low. This is the moving average it's currently using. It has an adaptive period, which you can just select, and it will make the period faster when price is moving. Here's the period. This is a smooth period, and this is the smoothing type you can use. There's also a signal type, which currently it's using this ADX-VMA, a very short period for this one. It has this interesting effect here. You can shift the output of the signal to the right. That's what that does. And then this is the same thing if you've watched the KVO, cQ-KVO. Like, for example, we'll set it to this one. Okay, and that is the histogram has to be above or below the zero level. Again, the zero level is actually these white lines, the upper level for the up part and the lower level for the lower part. You can set that to 0 and it will use the 0 level right here. Or if, say, we'll make it pretty wide to 3. Anything that's inside this level will be gray. Okay. And the next one here, let's reset this stuff. And then the next, where the histogram is above or below the signal level, so you're getting this type of thing. The next one is the histogram above or below the 0 level, and the histogram above or below the signal level. So, anyway, that's how you read those things. You should be able to figure the rest of those out. And then these down here, this is just the same moving average parameters. Again, they affect any moving average that is using it, whether it be this one, the smoothing mode, or the signal type. And everything else down here is just for cosmetic. Let's, for example, we'll change this to this, and we'll make this a little... We'll just change this a little bit so that it responds differently. And again, it's saving it to this file name, which we will call now test. Okay, so these parameters are now stored in this file test. And then if you load the no parameters version, you just need to type that file name in, and it will load it, and you'll have your indicator with those settings. This again is for using a expert advisor, so you only have to pass the name of that file, and it'll get the parameters from that. So that's this indicator.